It's a holiday. I got hoes on hoes and
Hey my day ones, it's the one and only day Michelle, and I'm here with a cooking tutorial on a budget. The Asian sweet and spicy chili wings. I love them, they was so good. Let's get started. Okay, got the Tyson wings right there. I know they said something about cancer was in them, and I don't know, I prayed over it, you know. Prayer works, but I mean, they're not huge. Like, I don't know, I used to love big wings, but now I don't. Like, I love my wings, you know, small like that. And if you see me steady going off camera, I am washing the wings, washing them off. Damn, why I chunked that wing in there like that? I really shouldn't have cooked all them wings because it took me like 2 days to eat that entire pan. I think that was only like 9 wings. 2 or 3 days. Those are not my dogs, if y'all heard that. So now I'm going to take some vegetable oil, take 2 capfuls, and just put them on the wings. I don't know, they cook better when I do that. That's why. I don't know. It's something I've always seen my parents do, so I do it. There go that girl. That accent, y'all know I love that seasoning. Y'all gonna hear me talk about it for the next 25 days. I love that seasoning. Then we got the lemon pepper. I'm so damn rough. Look how heavy-handed I am. Just rough with the auntie arms, okay? I mean, I am almost 30, so. With the garlic powder. I basically just use like seasonings that you could use on everything. Those are my go-to seasonings, okay? Like, I don't care. Most people be like, you use too many seasonings. You can't. There go paprika. You use too many seasonings. No, you use the same seasonings. That's what I hear. You use the same seasonings. You can't cook for real. This ain't TikTok, so I can't tell y'all what y'all can do with y'all mouth, but y'all know where I'm going. A little bit of seasoning salt because I like the way the accent tastes or whatever, but I think the seasoning salt just add a little bit more, you know. Some onion powder. Heavy-handed as hell. And I'm about to take some soy sauce, just a little bit because these are Asian sweet and spicy chili wings. So I wanted them to have that, like, you know, Chinese food flavor. You know what I'm saying? And I think that the seasoning stick better when you put like something wet on your shit. Like, and I didn't have no lime juice. Parsley flakes. They look good already. Yes, my hands are clean before anybody say a motherfucking thing. I'm sorry, y'all. Don't block me. But for real, my hands are clean. I love to use my hands as a mixer, or I usually just put them all in like a container and just mix it together. But I love using my hand because I want to see, you know, is my chicken getting seasoned? If it ain't seasoned, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. And I think I sneezed about 3 times, so, you know, good enough. But they look so good. If your food don't look good seasoned before you cooked it, something wrong. Look at that. So I'm putting the foil paper on there, and I put it in the oven. I left my wings in the oven for an hour so they can cook all the way. They got the Asian sweet chili sauce from Walmart. I hate shopping at Walmart, but it was convenient. And I'm gonna pour it in that bowl, okay? And then we finna zhuzh it up because it's big day, you know? My titties making an appearance. Soy sauce. Just saying, baby, she need to put them things out the camera, honey. Elbows ashy. Onion powder. I don't know what that was. Oh, that accent. I told y'all I used the hell out of that damn seasoning. Damn, why I'm struggling. Garlic powder. And crushed red pepper is the star to show y'all. Besides the Asian sweet chili sauce. Because I like sweet food, but not too sweet. I'm more of a savory person. So y'all see me adding a whole bunch. Yeah, shake it up, shake, yeah. But that's because the spiciness gonna balance out that sweetness. And then some brown sugar. I would sing, but I sound like a man. So, there I go, stirring up the sauce, you feel me? Now I'm about to pour the sauce all over them wings, honey. Look at how good it look. And yes, I did leave the little juice that was in the pan in there too, because why not? Look how they look, and they about to go back in the oven for another 30 minutes. And there you have it. I just put it with some broccoli because I was extremely tired. I didn't feel like waiting on no rice. But thank y'all so much for watching.